cut out, we can always have it.
I remember when Billy put us and say, remember the girl that he say, she a borrow all one. It starts already. 10 minutes already. Oh, a second.
Second.
A 15, 16 seconds. 13 seconds.
You always get nervous anytime the camera starts.
Me not nervous. Like, seriously, me not nervous.
Why are you here? What we are doing here?
Ask you, like, you want to come out there, so. You ask them, me do here, so, like.
Big up on yourself, guys. Welcome back to the channel.
I come me look. I'm not business still. And I like this, you know, yeah. Wow, there's somehow we have to look bad looking now. We could not come good looking.
You have man? You have one man?
Yes, and it's every day I'm pretty, but I'm not saying I lie, tell.
And that me I talk about, but you say you know say I lie, tell. So what I do?
Yeah, me up even feel like I'm pretty girl.
You look nice, man. I like all on your hair look mess up and all them kind of something.
What's that?
Hi, miss.
Hi. What dear? Don't come here.
You can come right also. Come here, make them see you. Nice, pretty looking lady.
So how she look better than me today? If you are here, even come obediently.
Everybody else is here.
No.
Man, no, I just a film me, I play with the camera.
We have to play.
Good evening, guys, afternoon, whatever time of the day it be.
No, I'm just a say.
May I ask you again, you have man?
Yes, I have a boyfriend.
Him always
And
say
he's quiet. Me no know take up this. No, I'm not say that, but
you give him enough problem, no, no?
no, what kind of alright? When I have a problem, what kind of problem you have?
Really and truly, no, guys, I want to ask her about her acting. But when the camera turns on, she gets super excited. As a matter of fact, we'll start from the very beginning. Stand up and make them say the individual. Let's give them one nice good 360. Make them see. Just take time on a nice 360.
Can I get a wow?
So yeah, anyhow, introduce yourself, name and all of that.
Name? Introduce. What's the name?
My name is
Pam. See my friend here. Everybody look about that in a grade 1 book when I started off.
Actually, I run a show. I try control her, guys, but I can't. I don't know.
Alright, now behave obediently now.
Biba.
Sit down, cut 10, I'm ready. Ask questions.
I saw at them or something you man have to deal with.
No, when me there around him.
You behave yourself, not you?
No, sometimes I chip in look mad style and he say, girl.
You say yes sir, no sir.
You know, that's how I come down different that time. But when I work with the flow and done, I know say, yeah.
You say
Me got him back.
You made for your man.
Not yam only, all ground provision.
No, but yam in it too, so.
Yeah.
You made.
So that's the all ground provision. So if you ever do the maths, you know just one, a whole heap ahead.
Oh, a whole heap ahead.
That's in cocoa. You name it.
Anyways, we still want to know your name.
Oh, my right name, Army.
Your right name.
Well, I'm going to go to my right pretty name. Wait, boy, when people call me so, I just behave like the pretty name. But now give me the nickname.
What the name? What a woman candy problem, man?
My name is Shantoy Wilson.
Shantoy Wilson.
S-H-A-N-T-O-Y.
Are you from Westmoreland?
I'm from my mother. I live in Westmoreland. Well, yeah. Westmoreland. I'm come from mother. I'm actually from...
No! You come from Westmoreland. You're Westmoreland you come from.
Yeah, I'm a Westmorelandist.
Westmoreland.
Well, anyone. Westmorelandian.
She's an actor, guys. She acts with prolonged HD films.
In the living room. The living room. Jamaican movie. So, in bracket. Yeah.
Do we look around on our history of the acting thing? Put on your foot, miss.
I saw me see man.
Give me like a rundown of the acting
Let me buy a
history.
rundown. There's no company I can't give me no big word.
As in, like, little summer where it come from when you like acting and all them good
Oh,
stuff.
something about me. Well,
where this whole acting thing I come from?
Well, the acting thing never long time because my teachers them from high school, primary school. Yes, always say, you know, say Shantoy, if you do this and do that and.
I'm not tell you something. I'm not cut you. But I want to know, say. Remember, say you have one man, you know. So when you do all them kind of something, you see man, I watch them, I go one.
Let them them busy. Me, I love my man. I want my man. I don't want no other man.
Okay, alright.
Nobody else.
Good. Alright, tell me about the long time thing about acting.
Yes, so, once again, I remember when I was much smaller. I'm sure I start back from.
No man, just continue.
I'm much smaller from me. Remember myself and start growing up. Me always prime, very prime. But
Where
me
call prime? What they call
I'm
prime?
outspoken from me a pick me and they look weird. I say me go on big and post right now. No man, me respect who respect me as
So you did have man from high school days?
as in have if I have boy. We don't mean man. Maybe have boyfriends. My parents.
We go to school are like big man.
We call big man, man. You know,
No, I prime thing me I think about an hour now.
No, when we say prime, it's like them pitney day. I'm very outspoken. My parents are not happy. Like light lamp and fi know where they pick me because when they see how
So
they
usually you don't have sex when you're there in school?
that's my business. So what?
Oh, so that a yes. That a yes.
If I want to put it like a you, me have
Me
sex.
no me.
No, me just start have sex.
But anyhow, continue with the acting I come from.
So
Them
from me younger come up, remember myself. People ever said to me, say, "Girl, Biba, yes, you have to go."
I share beat on the place.
You have to act because you have this mentality of this acting thing and thing. And me ever say, yeah, but me know that that's true still.
Who tell her figure act in time there, sir?
Me ever have like people, my teachers them when me used to in a grade 6, Miss Gail, my Savannah Lamar, primary school teacher, Mrs. Gail, yes, coming to the secondary level now. You know, say
1 second, make that shot that for us.
yeah, make it up one. You run away your talk.
I don't know how it go, guys. This wouldn't be a real video if we don't have something that interrupt the video. So I don't know how that goes. So primary school teacher and what? Who all them did that woman or did female teacher them?
Well, not only woman used to tell me, not only the woman teacher, the man teacher because as I said, me no fake my lifestyle.
So from a long time.
Yes.
And I did like it though.
Yeah, because when we used to in a grade 6 and we used to have drama.
So you don't want to no kissing scene in a movie that I love acting too much.
No, what kind of kiss? Me can't get go to.
No.
If babes watch it, feed away.
So if you are playing my girlfriend, Zin, you want to tell me so I'm going to chup say no sir. So I'm to French kiss them. So I'm to all the bedroom seeing them on the sheet and it.
No, man, me can't manage that she me stifle. Put me on the no she.
Remember, you know, people are looking at them want to care. Some people if they do their acting stuff. You have a professional when you do them something.
A true man.
Some
Yeah, but me put
French
it to my
kiss and
boyfriend.
Your boyfriend, you feel like your boyfriend are going to say yes, I can kiss the next man in the movie?
And something that listen to me, have to talk about this.
And if you say no,
And I just know.
I just know, block your career, the thing where you love so much and all them kind of something.
Me got me no. Yeah, made me all grown provision. Back to reality, as you.
So from primary school now, which part?
Come straight up to God because Mr. God that still school. I used to me also. Me never say me a bully like raging, but what me not like people bully me and demand me. So as short as me be, me used to go and like, yes, me I one of you too. So I'm afraid of you. So me used to go to that for grade 7 for 1 year straight until me get they hope to expel me a little bit, you know, I'm afraid. So I went over by Godfrey Stewart, your mother chance to remember this.
Hold on, where do you make the expel?
Because me used to know a look war, you know.
You did a gang?
It wasn't a gang.
You did a crew?
Bang bag of people, but I did.
So you did a crew at school? Like one crew on it?
Yes, my friends. My friend them different from me, you know, as I say. In all friends.
But you did a bad girl, man.
You have a soft one, you have a outspoken, you have a different type of people.
You did a bad girl, man. So anyways, I don't have to press upon that. You nearly get expelled because you're a bad woman. So. So anyways, we are now from straight up come
and my teacher from grade 8 at Godfrey Stewart I come up to grade 11 because I got grade 11 years. I'm going to get an expel I got for this. Mrs. Dobson, yeah, she's my teacher. I love her so much. She always motivates me and she even stopped calling me school name Shantoy, Biba she call me. So yeah, I always feel well comfortable around her. She talk to me, she motivate me. Not only she, but she
do acting though.
Like she ever said that fit me and things. She always say yeah, she see potential in me. I never tell no lie.
So them did have like drama class and them kind of stuff.
Drama class used to do it, but sometimes and all the time I have the urge to do certain things. There are times I just want back out. Certain people me not too. Up to today day, me a big girl. People say it. Up to me friends that when I work with, like not really work with, but like when I work, the people them on the same plaza. All you say, girl, the acting thing there, like Pat of my friend. What did I always say? Be a girl if it do it. Cause every day I give them some drama. Every day I make them laugh because that is me.
You have to do the
Me-
kissing, you have to, the man have to go hold you a certain kind of way. All of them something there have to go again. You
No,
have to,
man.
let me tell you something. You see, in acting like when you communicate
You don't
certain
want
things.
kissing, eh? You want to kiss
Because
me,
of
kiss me, no.
drama.
Kiss me.
Mine, you can't go in little more, you man get problem.
And I'm going to come
No, but what me I say is,
answer now, answer phone.
what me I say is, in,
Yes,
like for communicate certain things in acting, you know,
I
say,
will do it. As in communication.
no, the talking part, but I mean like touching her, you know, you have to get close and looking at a person's eyes,
We
certain
can't
kind
look
of
at
way.
nobody eye from the one. If you not forget yesterday,
So how you
look
actor?
in her eye. I can't look in her eye.
So how you
You
actor?
have to blink.
So how you actor? You have to get some little training, man. Sharpen up your thing a little bit.
Maybe
So out of the comedy or the serious thing, which one you prefer more?
both.
You know, you have to like one more.
Both.
Which one, you know, you have to like one more. Is either you like the joke more or you like the serious thing. You probably like the joke one more because you know have nothing, probably not have nothing to do with no kissing or
Maybe.
no intimate kind of thing. So
Me just don't play that part though. I was maybe I contemplate about something different in our movie. So maybe because I like, well, babes, if I hear this stuff, you know, yeah, I like flirt.
how
So doing a movie as in a girl way, one like one boop something and me see myself fit for this because I see no me used to do. No, me say boop
so
something.
you know see yourself as the girl in the movie where the man I get some vagina from.
No man, me I wanna day where we take your money, promise you later, you don't see me later.
Oh. Oh. So how much longer you plan for going with this?
As long as me have the time for, because really and truly me just not gonna stick to one thing. But I always want to try different things. It's me about 2 hotel lockdown right now because me I want bartender. As me tell you earlier. So yes. But my real goal is to be honest.
Your goal?
My goal.
Yeah, try to give them too much accent and thing.
You see now?
Continue.
So-
your real goal is?
My real goal, don't put deep on it. My real goal is, it's not a gold digger, so it's gold, square gold. My real goal is, I want to come own one daycare center. I really love babies.
So
For everybody who know me, yes, who know say, baby I'm a thing. So I want do a business when I say, yeah, the business there can set me right.
So you get no baby yet?
Operate my thing. Not yet.
how soon you want to get one baby?
Why? Anytime soon. But me now look for a baby now, you see me?
Anytime
Yeah,
soon.
me I hold it like a G and just go on.
So make your boyfriend know, you know, say, you know, you want to put something
Babes,
in her
you know, so babes, we work on different things. We not just want to have a baby now and we can't maintain a baby.
So how that sounds so now? That sounds weird because you want to have daycare and we not switch too
No,
much off
we
of the
not switch
acting.
too
You
much.
not switch much off of the
Yeah, just give me a
acting.
look.
But me curious about it, Zin.
Viewers about
You
what?
want,
Fine.
you love fitness, Zin. You want to have daycare business, all them kind of something there. But when me say, yo, boyfriend knows say you want to put one in our oven is like,
Pull back.
yeah.
Yes, because the reason why it's not gonna be film one baby and film one baby, you know. We want to say yes.
But at this man I got breeder though.
I hear more want baby from.
Okay, good. I just
Yeah,
that.
I
So how you feel about the acting though? Yeah, I don't know.
Well, at first, let me be honest. Well, at first, you know, he was like, babe. You know, me not say no trust, you must know why.
Wait, so you not trust you?
Me no know.
You know what? Just focus on how him feel about the acting. Nobody tell you
Alright.
too much of your business.
Oh man, listen. I'm not like that.
Alright,
Anything you ask, there's an answer to everything.
Alright.
At first, he was like, you're kind of man. And a man, you come over to a man. For sure, I can't deal with it. Yeah, and then after a while, when he started see it, now we come out and he started see it on YouTube. I remember one morning, we wake up and one message come in and he say, BS, when you take the thing as serious, if you really see yourself enjoying it, because like him, I say him see the potential in me. If you do it, that's me. I look on him and say, hey, he see it now, say, I don't know, man thing now, a real thing, show business we are doing. So, maybe now, he talked to me about it and he knows I saw me jovial and stay. And I just saw me see. People ask me, say, me ever have a bad day.
Yeah, they go to ears too more too.
When me have bad day, people can't know. I say, me hold my problem to myself, but...
Where in Savoy are you from though?
You asked me already.
Well, them no know.
You asked me already where me come from. I'm just a mother.
Westmoreland.
Yeah.
Bad people place.
No, if you big up my hometown, leave Russia alone.
No, so not that I we have to big up it. Bad people place.
No, man, no, bad people place. A real people place.
Hold on.
Place.
And there's enough actor around that, not true?
Well, if you go in there, because people have important people.
If me go in there,
You're
brother, I'm not pass the bridge.
Well, I'm over a bridge to come from. Suppose when they live back, suppose me go back there, you have to go up over
If
a bridge.
let me tell you this, if me have no woman and I run a Russia then live, they have to come out of Russia every time I want to them.
Something say if I Russia, they don't want to come. Just you go look for this, you know. But
If they come from Russia, I don't want them. I don't want no girl from Russia.
you ready?
Eh? You finished tell me how your boyfriend feel about the acting thing?
Yes, he is he's encouraging me and he's telling me, said, behave obediently. Behave if do it in the cars, yeah, we go on, but he already had so cheap to carry with them if we do it and then we go do it.
Suppose me tell her say exactly so she behave. Like me not go turn her nothing. She say she encourage him.
My encouragement to do it.
Yeah.
Eh. So as you all see, what again?
Acting time now, not you?
Acting time now. So I don't want to look a piece. You don't want to see me. I don't know, you know. But that's why I'm being and take
Then can't see when I go so near, you have to stare at us still.
me that's why I'm being and take you. Anybody can contribute, please.
Pretend to be my wife and you come in. Hold on, let me see what this is.
Me can't pretend because I'm never married, so I don't know.
You go act for be, you go play my wife. And I just come in so you go make sure so I know so my dinner there on the table and everything and something.
Is it true me never married, me can't play the role? Eh?
Alright, just act anything. Act something. G's and P's. Act something. So me just tell you one and you say you can't do that. So act anyone.
Act what again?
Like you just give me one and come in and now.
Oh, I just give one and come in.
Hey honey, what's up? How are you? How was your day?
Oh, I trouble fire saying I can't deal with it. So I say, but me no ever give one and come in, so I don't know if I maybe I have to catch my neck there, I give one and go in between one.
Oh, so you give one?
No, I don't give me one.
So alright then you pick one. You pick one simple little role and then just give one like what I call it now. And like a rundown.
I don't know if I give now. There's so much in my head and none can come out right now. So me see. I'm not nervous. If I'm nervous, not about
Alright, so you try boobs out, man. Try boobs me out now.
Alright, come in and boobs you.
Yeah, try boobs me out.
I send me a boobs man if you want a nice sexy one.
So which part were they? Where were they? Were they at the bar or were they anywhere or somewhere where, or?
No, you sit down on the tree I pass so I pass it on my yard.
Okay.
See me?
So I say that your boobs out man so real already? Just before?
No babes, don't understand nothing babes, but I don't really say my boobs so man, you know.
Alright,
But-
come boobs me out. Lyrics me and thing and me boobs me out and thing.
I can't do it, no. I can do it. Me can't do it.
Come now, come
No,
boobs.
baby.
We can't keep one place.
I told me hyperactive and I be supposed to sugar me feed pan. Supposed to sugar me name.
She not even can look in my eye for like 10
Me can't look at
seconds.
anybody eye.
Come out do one like a staring contest. 10 seconds, I see if I can last. No, keep steady. Sit down right there, sir.
Me can't see an eye.
Sit down now. Right, sir. Cooking time. Oh, time for go shoot.
So when you come back, we need to go books here. Come on. Come in.
Hold this.
Give me time. Time I say. You not like this from some of the team say, you know.
Alright, go on. Acting time. So, yeah guys, thank you for tuning in. Just like a conversation with one of the actors from Prolong HD Films. One of the things that I like though, normally or behind the camera, we just like sit down and chat to them and find out for them side of the world because as you know that's it, women are crazy. In a good way, entertaining way. So hope you enjoy that little conversation just now. I hope to get some more, well, I'm gonna call it now, more, kind of professionally structured interviews, more fun. Although I'm hoping to enjoy that a while ago. So, yeah guys, thank you for tuning in. As I say, like a conversation with one of the actors from Prolong HD Films. When you know the two movie channel them right now, we are booming in Jamaica as it relates to YouTube. Richard Brown Films and Prolong HD Films. Did an interview with Richard Brown way back in the days there before. I think when him YouTube channel did there about 700, and now it got crazy. So you can go over there and check it out. I'm hoping to get an interview with him so we can probably compare and contrast with that whole interview and the one that we'll do soon. So yeah, big up on yourself. Thanks for tuning as usual. Make it this far. Leave a like on the video. Lara love you. Little more. We're gone.